Abundance Stock Advisors. Let's make money.
Hello friends, welcome to the 24th English episode of our Brahmastra series. To get notifications on all future episodes, please subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon. So friends, the Brahmastra for today is, above all else, in other words, the stock market is people. It is people trying to read the future. And it is this intense human quality that makes the stock market so dramatic an arena in which men and women pit their conflicting judgments, their hopes and fears, strengths and weaknesses, greeds and ideals. Friends, if you understand this, you will start investing in stock markets like a professional without any confusion. Have you ever thought about this? That when you are buying a stock, you are very positive and bullish about it. But at the same time, the guy from whom you are buying, he is very negative and bearish about it. So the buyer and seller here share conflicting views and opinions about the same stock. And because of these conflicting views, we are able to complete a transaction and the market continues to operate. Now similarly, when a stock is running, it has doubled. You fear that it may fall from here on and you do not enter into it. At that very moment, there is someone who is hopeful. He thinks that the stock will triple and quadruple from here on and he enters into it. So again, there are conflicting emotions of fear and hope which are making the stock move here. So friends, one thing is clear, that human emotions and human psychology have a great role to play in the stock market movements. And because humans give a consistent emotion or a consistent reaction to a situation, we see repeated patterns in the stock markets. So does it mean that we analyze all our emotions, study them well, and start making investment decisions on that basis? No friends, not at all. In fact, now we have a great tool at hand. We should start analyzing and predicting human emotions of others in the stock markets and start basing our investment decisions on it. That's the mantra, friends. This can be done very easily by studying charts. And because human emotions will repeat, there will be patterns that will be repeated in charts that will help us take better decisions. So the point is, we will make our decisions not on the basis of emotions, but rather we will invest very smartly with a lot of discipline by studying the emotions of others. Remember friends, an emotional investor himself never makes money in the stock markets. So never forget this Brahmastra around human emotions and psychology. There are many such amazing videos on our YouTube channel. You should definitely watch them. Next week we will load you again with yet another Brahmastra. Until then, happy investing.